Today we're going to remove a battery from a 2014 Toyota Sienna. Alright, the tools that you're going to be needing will be a 10mm socket. Let's go ahead and get started. We're going to go ahead and start off with the negative terminal. Righty tighty, lefty loosey. Let's go ahead and loosen this up. Let's go ahead and remove the negative terminal out of the way. Let's push that to the side a little bit. There, it doesn't go. There it is. Let's go ahead and remove the positive. We just don't want the negative touching the positive. That way we don't have some sort of short when you're undoing this positive one. Accidentally touch some sort of metal. And once that is loose, let's go ahead and pop it out from there. And I'm probably gonna need both hands. There it is. Alright, let's go ahead and remove this battery bracket. There's... Don't drop your tools. Now that you grab your tool, let's go ahead and remove this 10 bolt from here. Once you remove that screw, just put it in a nice safe location. After that, you should be able to move this battery clamp. Just go ahead and wiggle it out of the way. That should give you enough access to pull this battery out. Let's go ahead and pull that out. Alright, and there it is. And that is how you remove a battery from a 2014 Toyota Sienna. Thank you for watching. Please like and subscribe.